Double tap to custom. Multi-lock screen style. Confirm to custom. Tap to custom clock widget. Clock style. Color of clock widget. Lock screen text widget. Tap to custom wallpaper. A lot of theme wallpapers. Enable depth effect wallpaper. Custom more here. This to custom feature of dynamic island. This to change position left, center, or right. Drag to move position. Change size of dynamic island. Tap red button to reset to default value. Custom wallpaper effects. Dark mode wallpaper. Blur effect. Confirm. Theme available on Chinese theme store. Dynamic music control on lock screen. Smooth animation. Many lock screen style to custom. iOS icon style. iOS dialer style. Dual SIM icon. To custom theme wallpaper. Enable this. Select wallpaper from your device. Theme available on Chinese theme store. I have created all 3 themes into a backup file. You can find it in the description of the video. Review this video if you don't know how to install themes via backup file. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.